Hallo und willkommen. Welcome back to German Glow. Today we are learning to count from 0 to 20 in German. And yes, it's easier than you think. We will go step by step with correct pronunciation and you can repeat after me. Okay. This is our third lesson, Lektion 3. Lektion 3. Our third lesson, Zahlen. Zahlen. Zahlen meaning numbers. Numbers. In this lesson, we will learn 0 to 20 in German. Okay. In German, numbers from 0 to 20 are very important for beginners. You will use them when telling your age, asking prices, phone numbers, and more. Okay. How to say number, one number, or numbers? In German, Zahl, Zahl. Zahl is singular word. Zahl. Plural word is Zahlen, Zahlen. Numbers, number, Zahl, numbers, Zahlen. Null, null. Null meaning zero, zero. Null, null. Eins, eins, one, eins. Zwei, zwei, two, two. Drei, drei, three, three. Vier, vier, four. Fünf, fünf, five. Sechs, sechs, six. Sieben, sieben, seven. Acht, acht, eight. Neun, neun, nine. 10, 10, 10, 10. Great, let's keep going. Okay. 11, 11, 11, 11. 12, 12, 12, 12. Dry plus sane, dry sane. 13, dry sane. Fear plus sane, fear sane. 14. Fünf plus sane, fünf sane, fünf sane. 15. You already know 6 is 6. Aber 6 plus sane, not sechzehn, sechzehn, sechzehn. Remove S. Don't use S. Sex. Sex plus sane, sechzehn, sechzehn, 16. Yeah. You already know sieben. Sieben is 7. Aber sieben plus sane, not siebzehn, siebzehn. Remove E and N. Siebzehn, siebzehn. Okay. 17, 17. 16 and 17 different another genus numbers. Okay. Achtzehn. Acht plus zehn, achtzehn, 18. 9 plus zehn, neunzehn, 19. 20, 20, 20. 20 meaning 20, 20, 20. Okay. Can I ask what is Ihre Handynummer? Was ist Ihre Handynummer? This is formal way. Und I can ask was ist deine Handynummer? Was ist deine Handynummer? This is informal way. This meaning what is your what is your mobile number? What is your mobile number? Okay. We will learn more about formal and informal ways of speaking in future lessons. So don't worry, it will become even clearer later on. Okay. I can give answer. Meine Handynummer ist. Was ist deine Handynummer? Meine Handynummer ist 07527044646. My mobile number is 07527044646. Okay. This is our lesson summary. You can repeat with me. Okay. Null, 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 0, eins, eins, zwei, zwei, drei, drei, vier, vier, fünf, fünf, sechs, sechs, sieben, sieben, acht, acht, neun, neun, zehn, zehn, elf, elf, zwölf, zwölf, Dreizehn, Dreizehn, Vierzehn, Vierzehn, Fünfzehn, Fünfzehn, Sechzehn, Sechzehn, siebzehn, siebzehn, Achtzehn, Achtzehn, Neunzehn, Neunzehn, Zwanzig, Zwanzig. Learned already sechzehn and siebzehn is different. Okay, remember this. Sek, not sechzehn. Siebzehn, not siebzehn, siebzehn. Great job! Now you know how to count from 0 to 20 in German. This is super helpful for everyday conversation, especially when talking about your age, phone numbers, or prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next lesson. Bis zum nächsten Mal. See you next time on German Room. Danke, auf Wiedersehen.